Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Maddie, and I'm back with another video. And today's video is going to be on me trying some new makeup products. But yeah, so we're going to start off with what foundation I'm going to use and some of the new things that I got. So for the first two things that I got, I went to Ulta and got the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. And I'm not going to use this in this video. I will do this in a separate video. And for the second foundation is I got from Sephora, and I got the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, which is all free. And in the foundation shade I did get Butter Pecan, and we're gonna see if it really matches me. So yeah, and for my primer, you guys, this here primer I picked up from Walmart. I have really fallen for it. I'm on my second bottle now, and I just want to try it with you guys. And it's by Salon Perfect, and it's a Prime Perfection makeup primer spray, and it's supposed to minimize your pores and smooth your skin. And this primer retails for just say $4 at Walmart. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. So I'm gonna take some of my e.l.f. eyeshadow primer and I apply it to my brows. This just had been a technique I've been using for a long time to keep my brows in place, and plus making sure that the pencil that I use stays on. And I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of blend it. Okay, you guys, I'm done with my brows, and I've primed my eyes and set those eyes. For the eyes, I'm going to use the palette by Bad Habit, Solstice, or something like that. It is the dupe to the Natasha Denona Sunset palette. So these here are the shadows. And I love these shadows, and you can do summer and fall looks with these shadows. So I'm going to try to go with a between look, summer and fall. I'm going to start off with my Morphe M513 brush. I'm going to go ahead and apply me a good transition shade here. I think I want to go into Equinaut. I'm thinking that's the name, what it's called, Equinaut. And so with my Morphe 504 brush, I'm going to go ahead and kind of blend out those harsh lines. So now I'm going to go in with my Morphe E17, and I'm going to apply this earth shade in the crease area. This earth shade here is named Earth. And I'm going to put it right there in the crease here. So now I'm going to go in with Equinaut and apply this to the outer V of my eye. And I'm going to use that same brush. And now I'm going to go ahead and take my Vanity Planet, my large. I use this concealer brush to apply my shadows. So I'm going to go in with Soul. And it's right here. That's a shimmery shade. I'm going to keep blending those two together so you wouldn't have no harsh lines in between them. So for my inner part of my eye, I'm going to go in with Winters. And this here's Winters right here. Then I'm going to go back in with Soul. That's the center part of my eye. And I'm just going to go back and forth from Soul to Winter. That I get it to my liking. So for the outer corner again, I'm going to go in with Earth and I'm going to apply it. So now I kind of want to take just a clean brush here, and I'm just going to use my Morphe M513 and just kind of blend those shades together. Kind of just want that grading effect where it just blends right in. So now I'm done with the eyes as far as the shadow. So now I'm going to go ahead and take this black Wet n Wild Mega Last eyeliner pencil in black, and I'm going to tight line. I'm going to apply these here lashes here off camera, and I'll be right back, guys. So you guys, I got my lashes on. So I'm going to go ahead and reprime my face, because it says you can do it maybe up to 4 times, but. So now we're going to go with the Too Faced Born This Way All Free Undetectable Medium to Full Coverage Foundation. And I do have it in the shade Butter Pecan. Butter Pecan, how someone pronounce it, and I say Butter Pecan. So, yeah. And I'm going to do one side with the brush and one side with the sponge. And I might have to go all over it again with the sponge, but I'm just going to show you guys how it applies. So I did 2 kind of full pumps. And this foundation brush here is by Morphe. And I'm just going to apply it. So you guys can tell me if this look like it's the right shade for me. Go ahead and use my Sigma F80 flat kabuki brush. And I'm going to do this on this side with this brush. And what I'm doing is just dabbing it in to the skin. And make sure you don't forget your neck, guys. And I do add a little to this area here on my right side. I mean on my left side where I have the melasma. And kind of dab there. So for this side, I'm going to go ahead and blend. Okay, you guys, so that is the look of my Too Faced foundation in the shade Butter Pecan. And you guys, what do you think? Is this shade too light for me? Is it too dark for me? What is it? So now I'm gonna go in with my concealer. And I'm going to mix both of these Shape Tapes together. And I'm not going to apply a lot because that's not what I do. I don't want a lot of concealer under my eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the dark first. And then I will apply the lighter on top. The deep. And I'm going to go ahead and blend all of this out. And apply my face press powder by Maybelline. It is 330 in Toffee Caramel, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply that all over my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my bronzer. So this here is new in my stash, and it is the Maybelline Master Bronzer and Highlight. And this here is what it looks like. I'm gonna use this one here to bronze, and I'm gonna go in with my Sigma Taper Face F25 brush. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the shadows under my eye, and I'm gonna go in with, I'm just gonna use my Morphe M321 brush, and I'm gonna start off with Equinox. Then I'm gonna go in with Earth. And now I'm gonna go in and apply with my Duo Crown brush, Duo concealer brush. I'm gonna go into Winter again. This pretty kind of white creamy color, and I'm just gonna apply it and bring it down. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and dust the rest of this powder off. So now I'm gonna apply me some mascara, and I'm just gonna go in with my Wet n Wild. Okay, so now we're gonna go with the lips, and I'm gonna go in with my Bad Habit lipstick here. So I'm gonna take my NYX in this shade Cocoa and apply it to my lips, line my lips with. Okay, go in with Speed Dial. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and share my highlighter with you guys, and I might just go into with the Maybelline bronzer palette and highlighter, first shade here, and I'm taking my Luxie tapered highlighter brush. I got this brush here in my BoxyCharm. It's not a very intense highlighter, but the thing about it is, just if you don't want just that real, you know, high glow highlighter, bam in your face, this is a good one to go for. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna spray a little bit more of this here on there for my setting spray to kind of get this powdery look off my face. Ooh, I love it, and then I love the smell. And it don't last long because I spray like crazy. So guys, that is it of this look. It's more you can go for this look here for the summer and also for the fall. Like transitioning into the fall, you can use this look. And yeah, guys, so my review is for on the foundation, the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I like the way it applies. I love this foundation. It is buildable because it's a medium to full coverage. You can build it up. And for the Solstice palette by Bad Habit, it is a dupe to the Natasha Denona Sunset palette, and so far it's okay. Not saying I didn't get any like fallouts, or it was nice. You might have had a few chalky shadows, but it was fine with me. I love the shades. They turned out pretty well on my eyes so you guys can see it. So yeah, I don't really have anything real bad to say about it. I just love the shades, and you can transition from the summer to the fall with this palette. So if you're new here to my channel, go ahead and subscribe right now and hit that notification bell so you guys can be notified whenever I upload videos, because I will be coming with more videos. It's almost fall time, and I know I'll be inside a lot. Not saying I won't be going, but you know, it's cooling off, and hoping it cool off sooner. And I will be doing a lot of looks. And if you have any suggestions for me that you want to see, let me know down in the comment section, guys, please. Any videos that you would like me to do. And until next time, you all be blessed. And don't forget to be a blessing to someone else. And I will see all of you in my next one to come. Bye, guys. Mwah.